Hey guys, so we're back at one of the painting jobs. My dad's starting on this side. So it used to be yellow, if you remember from the last time we were here. Now we're changing the colors. I'm on my second coat over here. And then working our way this way. So last time we were here, we did all the trim, all the white part. We just finished that. Now we're working our way around and painting the yellow. So last time, we checked out the mulberry tree. It was on the other side, but there's another one on this side as well. You can see them all on the ground. So you gotta be quick. Once they get purple, ready to eat, they usually fall down. But there's a lot of light green ones too. See if I can find one that I can eat. Here's a smaller one. They don't have a lot of taste, but they are pretty good. You need a bunch of them though. Not bad. There's a lot of them up there though. So we're having a little midday snack. We have some mulberries over there, and we think this is a cherry tree. Try to see if I can find a good one.
Got a cherry, got a pit in them. It must be a cherry.
I sure hope so. It doesn't have a lot of taste.
No, but I'm sure it's a cherry.
It doesn't taste too bad, but there's not a whole lot of taste like a normal cherry you buy in the store. Let us know, you experts out there, is this a cherry tree? That's what the tree looks like. Trying to find another good one. I'm really not sure.
Tell him, my dad just ate one. Sore throat, can't see.
Can't move. So you might know when to eat those. This is the way we test things. We eat them, and then if we pass out, you got some. Oh man.
Everything's getting blurry.
So we're just working our way around. I just finished this front section, and then we're gonna keep going this way all the way around the house. So we're trying to move quickly here. Right now we're in the shade, and when you're in the shade with this breeze, it's like the perfect temperature, but we're having some kind of heat wave going through, and as soon as you even get in the sun, you can really feel the difference. But it's still around like 10 o'clock, around noon is when it gets pretty warm in this spot. All right, so we're just clearing some paths right now. A lot of these little limbs, small trees fall down. We're just getting those out of the way. And those are actually pretty good for burning too. So we just finished painting. We came here to cut up some wood, clear some paths, and then we'll take it back for burning. My dad actually burns wood in the winter time too, so we both can use it. I got the 3-wheeler today, and load this a few times. So now it's a lot easier to drive through with those trees out of the way. And we have a couple more we gotta cut down here. When we take hikes out here, we usually look for fallen trees, so we don't have to cut down any new ones. And this is perfect for burning. So load these up and take them back to the house. Alright, so my dad's gonna keep cutting them up, and now I'm gonna load this up and then take them up to the house and back and forth, back and forth. When you got two people working like this, it's a lot quicker. Today's location actually isn't so bad. You can see the trail is right there. So it's easy enough to just cut these up and then throw them, make them pile and put them on there and take them back. But sometimes we're not so lucky. Like if a tree falls down way away from the trail, you know, we have to cut it down and bring it all the way to the trail and then take it back. But at least today is really close to the trail. So now my dad just finished cutting all this. I just finished loading it on this side. Now I'm gonna take all this and then load it and take it back to the house. Here's the next pile. All right, so that's probably it for today. We got most of this. There's still a little bit to get. Then we got some big ones here. So you can see there's endless amounts of wood out here. Just the challenge is getting it back to the house. But we got a lot today. Good size ant right there. Some big black ants. All right, guys, we're about to call it a day. Was it a hard day today?
Oh, very hard. We painted, then we cut wood.
We're almost done with the painting.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have one more coat in the front.
Yep.
And then a little section in the back, and then that's pretty much done.
That's one thing you don't have to worry about in the Philippines is burning wood to keep warm.
Yeah. Yeah, they only use it just to cook meals.
Wow.
And here it's just for burn, to keep warm. The bugs are pretty bad out here. Do you get eaten with gnats out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, like there's flies, gnats, and like these sweat bees. They cover your face when you're out there.
They're like, they call them no-see-ums.
No-see-ums?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're real so small.
You don't see them.
You don't see them, but you sure feel them.